Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza Yeeps hide and seek. First, gather your ingredients, including pre-made pizza dough, your favorite sauce, and shredded mozzarella cheese. You will also need any desired toppings, cut into very small pieces. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius to ensure it's ready for baking. This preparation sets the stage for a delicious and engaging activity. Now, let's craft those Yeeps. Roll out your pizza dough to about 1/4 inch thickness on a lightly floured surface. Use a knife or pizza cutter to create small, roughly 1.5 inch squares. Place a tiny dollop of sauce, a pinch of cheese, and a few small topping pieces onto each square. Fold the dough over and pinch the edges firmly to seal, forming a small, enclosed pizza pocket. Once your Yeeps are assembled, place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in your preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. After baking, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for safe handling and to prevent burns during the game. Now, hide the cooled Yeeps in various safe, accessible spots around your designated play area. It's game time. Explain the rules to your players. They have 15 minutes to find as many hidden pizza Yeeps as possible. The person who finds the most Yeeps wins bragging rights, or perhaps a small, fun prize. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. After the game, enjoy your delicious Yeeps and clean up any remaining crumbs. This activity is perfect for parties or a fun family afternoon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.